Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn Easy with Ejaz. I'm Sumayya Kazim. आज इस वीडियो में हम G20 के बारे में बात करेंगे. We will talk about some important facts regarding G20. I'll share a very interesting mnemonic with you जिसकी मदद से आप G20 nations को हमेशा के लिए याद रख पाएंगे. And we will also go through some MCQs based on G20 so that you get an idea कि एग्जाम्स में G20 के रिलेटेड कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. So let's begin. The G20 or the Group of 20 is an international forum of the world's largest economies. The G20 was born in 1999 as a consultation forum between finance ministers and central bank governors of the world's major economies. Following the 2008 economic crisis, it became a forum between heads of state and government aimed at improving coordination on the main global issues. The G20 does not have a permanent headquarters or any employees. The group's chair rotates annually among the members. The incumbent chair establishes a temporary secretariat for the duration of its term, which coordinates the group's work and organizes its meetings. यानी जो कंट्री G20 की मीटिंग होस्ट करती है वहीं पे इसके सेक्रेटेरिएट टेम्पररी बेसिस पे इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल 2019 में जापान ने G20 मीटिंग होस्ट की थी एंड जापान में ही एक टेम्पररी सेक्रेटेरिएट इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था इन द सिटी ऑफ ओसाका. लाइकवाइज 2020 में द समिट वाज होस्टेड बाय सऊदी अरेबिया बट इट वाज हेल्ड वर्चुअली. 2021 में द G20 summit will be held in Italy, 2022 में in Indonesia, 2023 में in India और 2024 में in Brazil, and they will establish temporary secretariat for their respective G20 summits. There are 20 members of the group. They are Japan, Mexico, South Korea, Germany, Indonesia, Turkey, USA, France, Italy, China, Canada, India, Australia, the European Union, Argentina, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Brazil and Britain. Now let me share the mnemonic with you जिसकी मदद से आप इन सब G20 members को once and for all याद रख पाएंगे. And the mnemonic is Janab, my simple guess is that under foreign influence, Congress collapsed internally and externally and RSS became big. यहाँ पे J in Janab stands for Japan, M in my stands for Mexico, S in simple for South Korea, G of guess is for Germany, I of is for Indonesia, T of that for Turkey, U for USA, F for France, I for Italy, C for China, C of collapsed for Canada, I of internally for India, A Australia, E the European Union, A again Argentina और RSS में R is for Russia, S for Saudi Arabia and S again for South Africa, B of became for Brazil and B of big for Britain. So the mnemonic that you have to remember is Janab, my simple guess is that under foreign influence, Congress collapsed internally and externally and RSS became big. इस mnemonic को याद रखने के लिए you should repeat this mnemonic a few times. Let me also tell you कि इस mnemonic के थ्रू G20 members को याद रखने के लिए आपको और एक बात जहन में रखनी है. वो ये है कि A से दो कंट्रीज़ आती हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अर्जेंटीना, B से दो कंट्रीज़ ब्राज़ील एंड ब्रिटेन, C से दो कंट्रीज़ चाइना एंड कनाडा, I से तीन कंट्रीज़ इंडिया, इंडोनेशिया एंड इटली और S से तीन कंट्रीज़ सऊदी अरेबिया, साउथ कोरिया एंड साउथ अफ्रीका. Now let's go through some more exam related information about G20. Together, the G20 members represent 60% of the world's population 80% of global GDP and 75% of global exports. Since the G20 is a forum, its agreements or decisions have no legal impact, but they do influence global cooperation. आगे बढ़ते हैं and we will go through some questions related to G20 which have been frequently asked in the exams. So let's begin with this question which was asked in UPSC. The question is, in which of the following groups are all the 4 countries members of G20? Argentina, Mexico, South Africa, Turkey, Australia, Canada, Malaysia, New Zealand, Brazil, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, or Indonesia, Japan, Singapore and South Korea. निमोनिक अगर आपको अभी तक याद हो गया है तो उस निमोनिक के थ्रू आप इजीली बता सकते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. Another question is, India hosted the G20 summit in which year? 2017, 2018, 2019 or none of the above? The answer is option D, none of the above, because India will host the G20 summit in 2023 for the first time. Then we have another question. Consider the following statements and choose the incorrect option. Sherpa is the personal representative of the head of state and government of the members of G20. Mario Draghi, the Prime Minister of Italy, is the current chairman of G20. Both A and B or none of the above? The answer to this question is option D, none of the above. यानी both the statements in this question are correct. Sherpa जो है वो अपनी कंट्री का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होता है G20 समिट के लिए. मारियो ड्रागी इसलिए चेयरमैन है G20 के क्योंकि इटली इज होस्टिंग द G20 समिट इन 2021 इन रोम एंड मारियो ड्रागी इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इटली. यानी जो कंट्री समिट होस्ट करती है वहाँ का हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट G20 का चेयरमैन बन जाता है. दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो. एंड अगर अभी तक आपने हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, डू सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.